welcome to my tiny little channel. This is a bit of a speed intro because I forgot to film an intro and I have to be at work in 10 minutes, but today I'm going to show you how to make a felt glasses case. And the benefit of this glasses case is the felt on the inside is really good for cleaning your glasses, so it's glasses storage and you can clean your glasses. So let's go! This DIY you will need a ruler, some paper, a pencil, ribbon, scissors, pins, some felt, some fabric, and your glasses to use as a template. The first thing you want to do is take your glasses and place them in the center of a piece of paper and then draw a rectangle around them about 2 centimeters away from the glasses so that you have a pretty big border around it. Cut that rectangle out and this is going to be our template. Fold the piece of felt in half, then place the template on top of it. Pin it down and then cut out around the template so that you have 2 rectangles of felt. Do the same for the fabric for the outside of the case, but when cutting it out, make the rectangle about 5 centimeters longer. Place down a piece of felt and then put a piece of fabric on top of it right side facing up. Face the next part of the fabric down with the right side facing the right side of the other piece of fabric and then top it off with another piece of felt. Pin this together along one long side. Sew a straight stitch along this side, but only where the felt is. Do not sew that top bit that's just fabric. Open the case up like a book and then fold in the raw edges of that top fabric piece by folding them in 1 centimeter and then folding them over again 1 centimeter to hold down the raw edges. Pin it down and then sew a straight stitch. Fold down the top of the fabric part 1 centimeter and then bring that down to cover the felt. Pin this in place and then do it for the other half of the case. So a straight stitch along the entire length of that. This is going to make the casing to put the ribbon in. Once the casing is sewn, fold the case together right sides together and then sew along the bottom and the other long side with the straight stitch, leaving the top open. Just like when we sewed the other long side, do not sew the part where it's just fabric, only sew from where the felt starts. Now the case has been all sewn together, turn it the right way out. It can be useful to use a ruler or something pointy to get those tips out. To thread the ribbon through the casing, put a safety pin in the end of the ribbon. Thread the safety pin through one of the openings of the casing and slide it all the way through. When you come out the other side, just thread it back in that side and keep going through the other half of the casing till you come out at the hole on the side of the casing that you started. Take the safety pin out and then tie the 2 ends of the ribbon together. Repeat this starting at the other side of the case. Now have a pulley on either side of the glasses case so that you can close it.
When the lights start flashing like a photo booth and the stars exploding, we'll be fireproof. My youth is yours, tripping on skies, sipping waterfalls. My youth is yours, run away now and forever. Whoa. My youth is yours, a truth so loud you got